First time ko rito sa Cagayan. Napakaganda pala rito. So butin lang na kahiram tayo ng motor and on the way tayo ngayon sa Gallo Cave. Samahan nyo ako sa biyahe natin mga kamadkat. Sa Peña Blanca. Ganda oh. Rito nag-bus lang ako. Definitely mabalik tayo rito. What a view. Masarap din para riding ng ADV. Relax, komportable. ADV 160 itong gamit natin eh. Alam nyo naman pag Honda, subok yan. Hindi siya masakit sa likod. Okay naman yung mga suspension. Magaan. Kasi first time ko lang makagamit ng ADV. Pinipil ko yung ride kung anong difference sa Yamaha. Puspusan yung project ni Mayor oh. Biglang lumamig. Ang bango ng simoy. Amoy puno. Lawak ng palayan. Tapos doon may kabundukan. Balay na balay ang datingan talaga. Oo. Ang tawag pala sa road na to Gallo Road. Kasi ang Gallo Cave sa opay ng Peña Blanca. Isa sa mga tourist spot dito sa Peña Blanca. Marami pang tourist spots dito eh. Pero isa yung Gallo Cave ang pinupuntahan ng mga turista. Pabaybayin lang natin to dire-diretso. Ganda. Ganda naman, grabe. Ito yung Cagayan River. Grabe ang ganda. dito sa stopover ko, 6 kilometers na lang. Mararating na natin yung Calao Cave. Grabe naman ang ganda nito. Oh. Breathtaking view. Grabe. Tara tayo sa Calao. Nandito na tayo sa Calao Cave. Mga 20 minutes ride from Tuguegarao City. Wow, napakaganda. Calao. Entrance fee guide. So ayan, adult 100, student PWD 50 pesos, 50% discount. 7 years old below, free. Foreigner 200. Galing. Yun o. Ito yung Cagayan River. Pwede kayo mag-swimming. Hindi, napakalinis ng tubig. Afternoon po.
So magandang hapon po sir. Ako nga pala si Gerald Pagino po yung tour guide. At bago po natin marating po yung cave, akit po muna tayo ng 184 steps po.
Okay.
Pero yung cave po natin, meron po siya 7 chambers. Pero not all the chambers po pwede po natin mapasukan. No? So hanggang 5th chamber lang po usually. Kasi nga po there are some chambers po sa loob po ng cave na madalas maputik po. Sir, what if I'll take your picture on the signboard?
Sige, later na lang.
Later na lang po, sige ba? So I said, akit tayo ng 184 steps, pero hindi pa po ito kung included on that 184 steps. This is just only our warm-up na.
Okay.
So welcome po dito sa bayan ng Peña Blanca. And then tinawag po itong Peña Blanca kasi nga po yung word ng Peña Blanca po, nanggaling po ito sa 2 Spanish words, which are Peña means rock and Blanca means white. So white rock po siya. At kaya naman po siya white rock kasi nga po Peña Blanca po, it covered 77 square kilometers of limestone deposit. And Peña Blanca also known as the caving capital of the Philippines because we have more than 300 caves in here po.
Ooh.
Okay? But there are just only 2 caves po na open sa public, which is yung Calao Cave and Sierra Cave. Pero yung pagkakaiba po nila, ang Calao Cave po kasi is friendly caving and it's a bright cave. Compare po dun sa Sierra Cave po na it's one of the extreme caving or class 2 caving po na it's a total darkness cave. And there are some times po doon sa loob ng cave na you need to crawl using knee and elbow crawling po. And
Okay.
then yung area po doon, which is yung dancing floor, yung level po ng mud pack po doon, it's above the level. Ayan. First time sir, no?
Yeah, first time.
Sige po. So that's the start of the 184 steps. And then if you need toilet po, yun po yung CR po natin.
Okay.
May napapansin po ba kayo sa CR?
Yeah, made of ano? Made of stone.
Made of stone.
Yeah.
Kaya lang yung pangalan.
Kasilyat.
Yes. Supposedly it's Casillas, which is Spanish.
Okay.
Sa amin po kasi dito, we are Itawis dialect.
Oo.
So once po na Itawis po yung nagsasalita, once na yung salita, nag-end po ng letter S, we have to change it into T. Like yung Casillas, naging Kasilyat. Yung Lunes sa Biyernes sa amin, Lunit, Martit, Merkulit, Febi, Biernit. That's how we speak. Yung Kamatis, naging Kamasit. Yung Bayabas, naging Bayabat. Wag lang po sa bungus tsaka yung bungus tsaka yung ahas. Hindi po namin pinapalitan yan. Magiging
ahat at atat.
Ahat at bangut. Ganun, so hindi po namin pinapalitan yan. So,
okay.
That's a sample. So Lunes is Lunit. So that's one of the trivia in here. That's one of the classic na pananalita po ng mga Itawis po, people. So let's start the 184 steps.
184.
Yes po. So just tell me when to stop kasi nga po may mga benches for resting in every 20-30 steps.
Sige.
So we have also 7 cave creeds or cave ethics. We have take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, kill nothing but time. Add nothing but the love for nature, add nothing but the pleasure for enjoyments, and then burn nothing but your calories, and just bring nothing but good memories po. So those are the 7 cave creeds or cave ethics. And these are the benches po, where you want to take the rest if you want po.
Sige, kaya.
Okay, sure.
Ikaw, ay ba, kaya mo naman.
Kaya lang po, this is my 3rd time na. 3rd times po, so medyo
Aday, itong araw.
Yes po. Weekend po kasi talagang peak po yan. Pero pag weekdays, wala po masyado. We're almost in the halfway. Ang pag nahihirapan po kasi magbaba, pwede po magpabuhat sa tour guide.
Kaya niya kaya ako. Hold me tight, dude. Hi.
Hello.
So this is the halfway, number 92. Overlooking Peña Blanca po.
So nice. Ganda.
So that river, that's the Pinakanawan River. It's one of the major tributaries of Cagayan River po. And we all know that Cagayan River, it's the longest river here in the Philippines. That it measures 520 kilometers long. That starts from Aurora Province down here at the Cagayan Province and it ends at the municipality of Apari. That's where the estuary and that's what we call the river meets its sea in Apari. Whew.
Wait. Nakaka 107 step na kami. Ngawit to eh. Kaya na lang oh. Malapit na daw yung cave. Huh. Okay.
Mas mahirap dati sir kasi ang ginagamit lang po nila noon just to reach Calaki kasi yung vines. So na-experience po nila yung pong rock climbing sama.
Sarap dito, lamig.
Yes, ito po yung tinatawag po naming oxygenated area. So mayroon pong breeze po ng hangin na ito po ay nanggagaling po sa kuweba. And that's the entrance.
Lamig. Sarap, no? Grabe. Ito may mga puno, puro oxygen yan, no? Diba? Wow. Surrounded by tree. Grabe.
So 123, last 61 to go.
Okay. Ba yung pakiramdam malamig.
Step, the last 32.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah, konti pa.
Slowly but surely.
Ayan, malapit na. Konti na lang. Lamig. Okay. Finish. First time ko papasok ng ano eh. Ng mga ganito. Ng ganitong cave. Grabe.
And it's one of the biggest caves in the Philippines.
Ganda.
So ito na first chamber po natin. Na ito pong first chamber po, this is what we call avian room. Kasi nga po may mga birds po nag-stay po dito ng pangalan po ng ibon po na yung pimbalin sa sayaw.
Oh, okay.
Yung laway po nila, yung pambuo po nila, nasa pag binenta po sa mga Chinese, naging bird nest. po.
Nagiging ano. Nido soup.
Yes. And right here also in the first chamber, that excavation po, that's the place where they found yung Homo luzonensis. Yung pong Homo luzonensis pa natin, kilala naman po siya as the oldest human bone here in the Philippines. Okay, na ang nickname po niya, it's Ubag, which is ang ibig sabihin po na yung mythical caveman. So the oldest bone before, we have the Tabon Maning Palawan, which is, it has a date for about 47,000 years ago. And what we have here right now, yung Homo luzonensis po, it has a date for about 134,000 years ago po. Yeah, so it's now the oldest human bone in the Philippines. Okay, so the length of this cave starts here, first chamber after the last chamber. It measures 377.60 meters in length po. Ganyan po siya mahaba.
Almost
And then,
400.
And then sa may part po na to, sa cave po kasi, kakatapos lang po kasi ng rainy season natin. May mga portion po na basa, madulas, at maputik po yan. So just be careful when walking po.
Okay.
Hard pa tayo, sir?
Medyo madulas lang pero
So yung po mga tumutulo pong tubig po na yan, those are what we call minerals po. And that minerals, that comes from the absorbed water from the roots of a tree and it contains of calcium carbonate. So yun po yung reason kung bakit nag-group yung tinatawag nating stalactites and stalagmites po. Okay? So, mga stalactites po natin, usually it grows downward. Kaya po siya tinawag ni stalactites kasi nga po, nandun na mismo sa word na yun, which is yung stalac, letter C, C means ceiling and tights grow downward. And when we talk about stalagmites, letter G,
Ground.
G means ground and mites grow upward. But when stalactites and stalagmites meet each other, it will form a column or pillar po. Okay, so that's how limestones po. So it needs those mga minerals.
so
because
this
it contains of calcium.
so these are the
Those are stalagmites.
okay. Galing.
So this is now the second chamber po. That this second chamber, excuse me, this is what we call the divine area, divine room because of the chapel.
Okay.
And it is also known as the highest chamber kasi nga po it has a height for about 160 feet. Starts from the ceiling up to this ground po.
160
60.
feet.
Dati-dati nagkakandak sila ng mass dito, which is yung special mass sa Panlites, sa mass in Panya every first Saturday of the month.
Pero ngayon,
since nung nag-pandemic kasi,
hindi na.
stop yung mga activities po na yan. So we just only celebrating yung feast po, yung fiesta ni Our Lady of Lourdes every February 11. So po yun. And then, allowed din naman po itong wedding ceremony. Actually, ilang po sa pangipasal po dito. At the same time, this is the place po where John Ledin Bea took
Oo nga,
using the mistress way back here 2012. Ito po yun. So chamber means it's either the whole up that gives the light or just only a dome or space just like the third chamber po. So that's what we call a chamber. So the third chamber, we call it as the dark room. So ganyan pong tsura ng chamber, third chamber.
Wow.
So, light ko yan. Light na yan ko. Okay, this way please. Dito pa tayo. So may part po na to, bawal, kung papansin niyo po may mga black spots, diba? May mga black something. So if you look up, don't open your mouth po.
Okay, kala ko yung light.
Kasi nga po, sige po.
Yung mga bats.
Kasi nga po, may mga bats on the ceiling. Ayan.
Oh, ayan.
So those are insect-eating bats or insectivorous bats po.
Hindi ba na ano yan sa light?
Kasi silaw po sila, pero panandalian lang kailangan just to showcase it.
Ganyan lang.
Yes.
So nice. Grabe, ganda.
And that's
Worth it.
your fourth and fifth chamber. So, fourth chamber na po ito. Ito pong fourth chamber, tawag po namin dito, ice cream o ice cream dahil po dyan sa rock formation po na yan. That looks like three scoop and ice cream. Ayan po yan. And then next is behind user. Dito naman po. Those are
Wow.
the three kings rock formation. Yung first two sa left side lalakad, then yung isa po sa right side po nakasakay po sa camel. That's the three kings rock formation. We good? Need to take a rest? Sir, kung meron po sana mga oras, pwede niyo pong bisitahin yung Gabur-Gabur po.
Sakop din ba ng Peña Blanca yan?
Yes, sir. Sa may nangilat na area po, Gabur-Gabur po. Yun naman po yung big scoop pa na ice cream. It's a matcha flavored ice cream po.
Ang ganda.
That's the angel's wing.
Actually, ang
Yes,
matcha
stalagmite.
flavor po. So, don't worry po, bawal po natin yung hawakan. Pero pwedeng nila. So, ma'am and sir, meron po tayo makikita ng rock formation dito po ng mother elephant and baby elephant.
Mother and child.
Yung?
Elephant.
Oo nga no. Ito yung nose.
Yeah. And the Then that's a child facing us. Yung mother po naka-lean on the head. So that's a child. So rocket and scud missile. No, sorry, mother and child. So yun yung lighted candle naman, the white one, the white line.
Ito.
Yes.
So, group picture po kayo dito.
Okay.
Papunta natin.
Let's proceed. Yung bawa po ng tinatawag natin crystallized limestone, it looks like this. This one. It's crystallized limestones. But the problem is, it's getting dead kasi nga po, may mga time na yung iba kasi, they vandalize it, they touch it. So, that's one of the reason po kasi kung bakit namamatay po yung ating limestones. No? Kasi nga po ang limestone, so dissolve po siya sa acid water. And once we touch it, yung natural oil po kasi ng ating kamay mag-stay po doon. And that will cause the limestones to become dead or it will stop on growing. Ayan. Acidic po kasi tayo.
Oo.
Okay, so this is the fifth chamber. That's the fifth chamber, the whole area. So the fifth chamber po, it's known as the biggest chamber out of the 7. And it is also called as the jungle area. Kasi kung papasin nyo po, yung mga stalagmites po dito, they look like animal structure dito. Pag nyo lang po akong tignan, hindi po ako hayop. So joke lang.
Ito, dinosaur.
That's a mushroom garden.
Akala ko dinosaur.
Hindi ito po kayo, sir. Okay, Sam. So pag inilawan mo po kasi, nawawala yung rock formation niya. So try to turn off the light.
Okay.
That's a monkey face. King Kong says a monkey face. There's an eye, nose, and a mouth facing this way. Ayan po siya. That's a monkey face po. Mas kitang-kita po siya. I'll show you, wait lang. There's the monkey face.
Oo nga, no?
The eyes, nose, and then the mouth.
Oo nga.
Makuha naman si Sir, yung mukha kong tinitignan yung bato po, please lang. Joke lang, please.
Naka-smile nga.
Yes. And then rock formation po natin, let's proceed on that side. That's a merlion, looks like in Singapore.
Oo nga, siya ito.
Okay. Pagka iniilawan, nawawala yung formation niya. And then next is this one. It's a human skeletal rock formation po. The ribs, arm, the knee, skull, mouth, nose, and the eye.
Yan, ma'am sir, dito po muna. Group picture po na sa yung back.
And then yung butas po ng fourth chamber with the white rock, that's a heart-shaped formation. With the white rock po, sir. It's a heart.
Ayun.
Yes. That's the Pinakanawan River. It's one of the major tributaries of Cagayan River po. So it connects to Cagayan River pero major po na sanga. So sa amin kasi, usually ang tawag sa kanya is Pinakanawan River. Pero isa po kasi itong Itawis dialect na ibig sabihin po ay ilog. So pag sinabi po natin Pinakanawan River, redundant na po siya. Ilog-ilog. Pero doon po kasi siya kilala. So it's Pinakanawan River. Pero sa mga Itawis po, we usually call it as Pinakanawan lang.
Pinakanawan.
Apo. Kaya meron po tayong Pinakanawan de Tugigaraw, which is ilog ng Tugigaraw, and Pinakanawan de Ilagan, which is ilog ng Ilagan.
Okay.
Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng Pinakanawan. Yan. Pwede naman po maligo doon, kaya lang sa kabila po, kasi sa may part po na to, yung boat area po natin, boating area, bawal po kasi maligo doon. Okay, dito po tayo, sir. Po yung rocket or scud missile rock formation po natin, sir.
Ano?
Yes, pwede pong ilawan, sir. Okay na po yan. And then we have angel spraying. Pwede pong ilawan ulit.
Yan.
Ayan. That's angel spraying. And then last one, if you look up po, dito po pala sa may part ko, sorry, ulo ng kabayo na nakadungaw. Sa may side.
Oo, ayun.
Ayan.
Ayun. Ang dami mga silhouette na.
Yes po.